Hello guys, do you know that CapCut is now inside ChatGPT? Join me as I show you in this video. Okay, make sure you're already logged in into ChatGPT. This is the ChatGPT interface. So I'm going to click on this icon by the left hand side. It's going to bring me to this interface. I click on Explore GPTs. I'm going to wait for it to load. It has loaded. So I'll click on Close Sidebar. Then I'll click here. These are the apps inside ChatGPT already. Well, we want CapCut. So I'm going to, in the search box, I'm going to type in CapCut. It's already showing me some CapCut options because I've used it already. So I'm going to click on video, text to video generator. That's the option we need. That's one we want for this tutorial or for this work. Text to video generator. So I'll click on start chat. Going to bring me to this interface. So I'm going to type in my prompt. Generate a video. A video showing how pollination occurs. So this is my topic. You can use any topic of your choice. So I'm going to click on the generate icon and wait for it to generate or prepare my script. So it's generating the script. Would you like background music, narration, or subtitles? Yes, I would. I will like background music. Music and subtitles. Okay, so let's wait for it to get all right. So this is our script. For here it's saying that results generated by this GPT are limited by ChatGPT and text-based, but you can generate and edit professional videos using Flicky AI. Your pollination video will include background music, soft nature-inspired tracks, subtitle, auto-generated captions, blah blah blah. So to use the Flicky AI to generate this video, I am going to copy the script. So I'll come over here to copy the script. Okay, our video is ready. You look at it, it has voiceover, it also has subtitle. I was able to achieve the final outcome of this exercise using Flicky AI as was redirected by ChatGPT. So if you want to know how I achieved this using Flicky AI, join me, follow up in my next video. I'll be showing you a practical guide on how I was able to use Flicky AI to get my generated script, to get a video description of my generated script from ChatGPT, CapCut ChatGPT. Now to download or to extract this video, I'm going to click on this download icon to download the video.